Hello, and welcome to the Web Dashboard for Adigy Software Installation and Modify Guide. In this video, we will show how to install the project and how to modify any source code for the next revision. To start, please navigate to the following GitHub URL. Here, you will be able to see all of the project files. As you can see, there are three top-level folders. The first folder, labeled Documents, contains all of the documentation created for this project. The next folder, labeled Posters, contains the posters that were created for the final presentation of the project. Finally, the folder labeled Code contains all of the source code related to the project. This is the folder you'll be most interested in for the installation portion of this video. In the Codes folder, you will be able to see two inner folders, one labeled Source Files, which contains all of the core code that was created for this project. The other inner folder labeled exec lib files contains runnable scripts and libraries used for the project. For maintainability purposes, in order to advance in the installation guide, you must download and install Git in your machine. Once Git is installed, cloning the repository in your local machine will suffice in retrieving all the necessary files and folders that were described earlier. Once the files are in the development machine, navigate to the Code folder, then navigate to the Source Files folder. Once inside, there should be a Web folder. This folder holds all of the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files necessary to running the application. At this point, running a simple PHP server on the Web folder will give you a working version of the Web Dashboard for Adigy in your local machine. In order for the single machine view to work correctly, an extra step must be performed. Bundled along with the source code is a Java file which holds all of the code for the agent that retrieves information about individual machines. This jar file must be executed in the target machine the user wants to monitor. Once the agent is running, the web application should automatically pick up the running agent and provide all of the single machine view functionality to the user. Modifying files is also very easy. The web folder we found previously contains all of JavaScript code which can be modified to change the client-side AngularJS implementation. This can be done by going into the JS folder inside of the web folder. Once inside, navigating to the AWD folder will reveal all of the JavaScript code which drives all of the functionality in the web application. In order to modify any behaviors in the multiple machine view, the machine's controller.js file must be modified. This JavaScript file contains all of the implementation for the features available in that view. In order to modify any behavior in the single machine view, the machine controller.js must be modified. This JavaScript file contains the client-side implementation for the features available in that view. In order to modify the agent that runs on the machine that the user is trying to monitor, the user must change the files located in the folder WDA reporter. This folder can be found under the Source Files folder. This concludes the Web Dashboard for Adigy Installation and Modify Guide video. If you would like to know more about the project, please make sure to look at our other videos.